What's up everybody, Jason here, back at you with another video from Handy Dad Home Solutions. We are going to show you how to assemble your CoverTech mini split heat pump cover. First thing you want to do is take everything out of the package, make sure that you have everything. If you don't, give your supplier a call, they will send you your parts that you need. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is you have short pieces, 4 long pieces, which are your braces, your legs, and 3 short pieces. So take those 3 short pieces and attach them to your arches like so. Once you got that done, now we're going to start on the support legs. So you have 2 leg braces, and you want to grab those longer poles, which are going to be your legs for these supports, and they'll get attached right underneath of your arch. This is a lot easier doing it with 2 people, but as you can see, you definitely can do it with 1 person if need be. Once you have your arch assembled and your legs in, you are now ready for your cover. Now when you put the cover on, you want to make sure that it is snug. Don't pull it down too tight, and it's even all the way around, otherwise you'll get an uneven set. So, and we'll snug these down with ratchet straps later. Next, you want to install your poles in the mesh. Now you got 2 pockets in this mesh, at the bottom. There's a very small pocket at the very bottom. We want to install this pole at the top pocket with the holes that are installed in it. So you got these holes where your ratchet straps are going to go. Your ratchet straps are going to wrap around this pole later, and that's where that pole needs to be installed. So your top pocket there. Now, once you have those poles installed in those pockets, you're ready to install the ratchet straps. So to install these ratchet straps, you want to make sure that your ratchet is going to be on the outside, so you can ratchet up and down, and it's not against the mesh. So make sure you feed your ratchet strap make sure you feed your strap through the ratchet the correct way, so that you don't have this problem. So put your strap underneath the leg and wrap it around. Then you want to come up under the pole that you installed in the hole, in the hole, up under the pole that you installed in the mesh, and now down through the ratchet. This will tighten the mesh down to the leg as far as it can go. Now I would recommend don't tighten it up too much. Tighten it up just snug. Go all the way around, you know, a couple ratchets on each one all the way around until it's nice and tight. Don't do one side or the other side, you know, all at the same time. You'll get an uneven set on your cover. If this was helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And next video, I will be showing you how to install your CoverTech heat pump cover on your heat pump. All right, I appreciate you guys watching, and share with somebody. And like I said, give that a thumbs up. It really helps me provide you more videos like this. Thanks, guys. Take care.